Let's learn the Choosin Texas line dance. This is 3 8 counts, so 24 count dance, and it does face all 4 walls. I'm going to start facing the back. You're going to start with just a step to the right, right, together, and then you're going to do a shuffle step to the front. 1, 2, 3. That's just right, left, right. So starting feet together, step side to the right, right, together, right, left, right. So one more time. That's right, together, right, left, right. Your left foot is free, so now step left, together, and you're going to go back, left, right, left. So you're making a square. Step to the right, to the front, to the left, to the back. Should end up right where you started. So that is your first 8 count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Second 8 count, this is my favorite. This has got a spin in it. You're going to step back with your right foot and then back to the front on your left. And you're going to do another shuffle, 1, 2, 3, right, left, right, right, left, right. But as you do that, you're going to turn. So you have back, front, right, left, right. Now you're facing the opposite direction. Step back with your left foot, back, front, same thing, left, right, left. So you're going to go back, front, turn, back, front, turn. And you're doing 3 little steps in that turn. So that's your second 8 count. Let's add that on. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7 to the back, step right, left, turn around, left, right, turn around. All right, one more 8 count to go. You're going to step back again on your right foot, and you're just going to hook your left foot in front. So you have step, hook, and then again with the shuffle, left, right, left. And you're going to take 2 sort of big walks or skate walks. You're going to step to the right, left, cross your right foot over, and then left, right, and you're going to turn and face the right wall. That was a lot. Let's back up. So we have step back with your right, hit your left. You're going to do your 3-step little shuffle, left, right, left, skate walk, right, left, front, and turn. But on your turn, you're actually starting over on the first count. So after you do right, left, front, step, you're going to turn, but you're going to immediately start with that right, together, shuffle to the front, left, together, 3 steps to the back. And now you're starting over again. So let's turn around and do all the way through all 3 counts from the beginning. We have 5, 6, 7 to the right, 1, 2, front, 3, and 4, left, 5, 6, back, 7, and 8, step back, front, turn, my favorite part, left, front, turn, and step, hitch, shuffle to the front, 2 big steps, right, left, now right, left, shuffle, 1, 2, 3, left, right, 1, 2, 3, and back, get ready to turn, back, and turn, step, hitch, 1, 2, 3, big steps, 1, 2, front, and right, and 1, 2, 3, left, and 1, 2, 3, turn, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, back, front, 1, 2, 3, hitch, step, hitch, 1, 2, 3, big walks, right, left, cross, and again. So that's it. I hope that helps. I'll post a separate video with music so you can practice along with me, and I will link that in the description. Check out my channel for more fun dances to learn.